Alright, the front is going to be easier. See that? You just pull it towards you, move it up, and then it'll slide right into that. And it's actually numbered 1, 2, and that says 3, 4, 5. So you just kind of, as you can see, it wants to go down to lower, to make it lower cutting or higher. I'd keep it on 3. 3 seems to be a good height to cut the grass. Trying to do this with one hand. It's there. It's not the easiest thing in the world. So that's how you adjust your cut height. And I try to keep them all on the same. Is that on the same? Yeah. Well, that one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's actually. I'm going to keep the back the same and the front the same. This one, okay, I see where the groove's at. There's the groove. You just gotta pull like that. And I need to get that back up on there. So we'll pull up and see how it goes like that. And then it'll go right. See that? Right in there. Just like so. Okay, some safety that goes along with a push mower or any type of mower. This is self-propelled. So some safety, I'm going to read some to you. So, danger, avoid serious injury or death. Keep hands and feet away from rotating parts. There's various pictures here. You don't want to operate around people. And you don't want to go down slopes that are more than 15 degrees, and you don't want to walk into the mower, or I don't know. Remove objects that can be thrown by the blade in any direction. Wear safety glasses. Do not mow when children or others are around. Use extra caution on slopes. Do not mow slopes greater than 15 degrees. Mow across, never up and down. Look down and behind before and while moving backwards. Read the manual. Keep safety devices, blade control, trailing shield, discharge cover in place and working. If damaged, replace immediately. Warning. Operation of this equipment may create sparks that can start fires around dry vegetation. A spark arrestor may be required. The operator should contact local fire agencies for law or regulations relating to fire prevention requirements. Warning. Cancer and reproductive harm. Okay, so I'm not sure what would cause the cancer and the reproductive harm, but I guess inhaling grass particles, I don't know. Do not operate unless an undamaged discharge cover or entire grass catcher is in place. Danger. Keep hands and feet away. See that? It's cutting a finger. So there's that. And it's got the deck wash system. I got a video on that. And then there's a keep hands and feet away right there. And the engine does get hot. So that's the warning signs. That's the warnings and safety. That's the safety. And when it rains, I put that white bag over top of the engine, which I was going to check the oil. Here's how you check the oil. It's right here, counterclockwise. Pull up, and then there's a little 2 dots, and you twist it around until you see something like that, and you should be able to see it above the first. See at the bottom of the dipstick, it goes up, and it kind of stops right after that first hole. So you want it between the first hole and the second hole, as you can see by the arrows, and this is just above the first hole, so it's good. I might need a little bit more oil. So you just push this down and you give it a twist like that, and it's tight nice and snug. That's how you check your oil. And I think that's it. I think that's it for this video. Have a great and wonderful day. Okay, a good place to store your car manual is in your glove box right here. And also, other things that are good to store are med kits, little med kits. You should put that in there. And usually in the back here, I store the last time I changed, oil or tires. That way I know, these are the COVID-19 days. I changed the oil and filter. I couldn't change it in my house because the apartment rules wouldn't let me, so I had to go to my mom's place. But anyway, so these are all the times that I changed the oil and filter and got new tires. And pretty much oil and filter and tires the last 4 years. There's a battery on here too. I got the battery changed. Oh, here we go. New battery, 2016. So it's 4 years. The battery's 4 years old in the car, so it's about due for brakes. It's about due for another. All that maintenance light, I just leave it on all the time because it's no use resetting the maintenance light. It goes off every 7,000 miles, and I change oil anyway. I just keep track. If I just keep track, I'm good to go. Last time I went, let's see, April 20th, and then November. So November to April, so 5 months. I went 5 months, and so that's probably like 5,000 miles, 1,000 miles a month. That's what I usually, and then keep little first aid kits here. I like buying these little kits. The good thing about first aid kits is what I like about them. If I can open this up with one hand, I don't know if I can or not. I just shut it more. They have alcohol pads in them, and let's see, wound gel, alcohol wipes. Those are the best. That's how you clean your wound or the area, and then you put the band-aid or bandage or butterfly closures or gauze, sterile gauze. But these are really great, these little first aid kits. And I keep my insurance and stupid registration and stuff like that in here. Documents. I like napkins up here. So you have any extra fast food napkins, throw it up here because you never know when you gotta blow your nose or something. And there's tape. That's pretty much medical tape. So I'm gonna keep that down there.